Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring both accounts have space and you can sign in. This avoids mid-transfer failures. Once signed in, use Google Takeout on a computer to export Google Photos, select albums or all photos, pick ZIP format and a one-time export. Make sure your Apple ID has room for the incoming files. After you request the export, Google prepares archives and emails you a download link. Be patient, because large libraries take hours. When the link arrives, download all ZIP files to a folder you can find. Once you have the ZIPs locally, extract them into organized folders so you can track counts and avoid duplicates. You should verify that photo and video totals match Google's export to catch missing items. If files are in Hike or Hevk and you plan to upload from a non-Apple device, convert or ensure compatibility. This preserves quality and metadata. Next, create a temporary album in Photos on your Mac or in the Icloud Photos web UI to stage imports. That makes it simpler to inspect before the final sync. Now you upload the staged folders to iCloud Photos. On a Mac, drag them into the Photos app with iCloud Photos enabled. On iCloud. Use Upload and select the extracted files. Once uploading, monitor progress and make sure your devices are connected to Wi-Fi so they receive the sync. If some files fail, re-upload them in smaller batches or convert problematic formats. If things still go wrong, check iCloud storage. Restart the Photos app or your device, and repeat the upload for the failed items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.